Alright, this is a 1990 model club car, gas operated. And what we are doing, this is mainly a fishing vehicle around here, but what we're doing is we're going to be replacing the accelerator cable on this thing today. You know, if you have that problem where when you push the gas pedal and you have to push it down about halfway for whatever makes contact, what's happened is your accelerator cable has pretty well stripped out in the connection right here. And it's having to pull out before it ever makes contact.
Yeah, they got a tie on it to hold it on there.
So there's our new cable sitting there ready. Ordered it off Amazon. Right now he's just taking stuff out to
Get to it.
get access. You can see there's the end of it that direction. Hooks to your arm right there.
Tell me I don't get no hurry. I'm 79 years old.
See that I'm getting no hurry, 79 years old, but he knows more about this stuff than most people know.
Come on that side, get to it. I could have took all that off and made it a lot easier, but I won't. Should I keep him sitting aside? Yes, again. It don't want to come out for some odd reason. This thing loose. My legs won't slip over that. That's where I need my heat. My glass is adjusted where I can see.
Can you see it from that angle?
My wrench is too long to come up to that bracket. Never put it on. Didn't intend for it to come undone. That light is not too good. Actually, not very good.
Pulling up, you're trying to tighten.
I'm trying to loosen that from that end if I can. Felt like it was moving, but then he quit. I may have taken that vacuum line off. This one here wants to slip when I go that way. Like I said, this 15-minute job always, there it goes, always takes longer. I think it did. Yeah, it loosened. They didn't intend for it to come off. Slip out now. Let me go get something to prime him.
What he's doing is he's got these back two nuts. You can see right there. It's going to have to come off of there. It is these right there that he's trying to remove, where it goes through the hole. It ain't gonna come out there like this. It's gonna have to come out the other way. Almost. There it goes, it just slips out.
Give me something to set up here. But we'll need to use what we use it be.
See the groove down there. I can't get around that vacuum line to see the groove that it sets in. There's a little groove on that lip right there, that little lip sticking out that it actually goes in. And it snaps down over the connector right there on this arm.
That should just slip in. Something right.
Hang on, you got the wrong way.
go.
You gotta go under that vacuum line with it there too.
Yeah. Okay. Just temporarily pass this until we get ready to go here. Okay. Now, get around here and hook this one in my end of the thing. Just plan the hole. Right there is where that's at. Want to go in like that for some reason or another. Maybe I can go in like this. If you get under it, you could get to it better, but the plate down there's in your way on the bottom. So this hooks in that hole. Should go in there. Let's see, when it goes in, it should go like that. There it goes in, but it ain't one stand. Made that hook like that, but side point, I guess. East side.
Buddy.
Ain't in backwards. If it ain't in backwards. This one goes. I gotta get this one back here and put it in the hole. Gotta get that out of the way. This one out of the way. And then put that one in the hole. Now take this one and get it started back on. Then we'll have to adjust it. I don't like that being on there that way, but it should pull that way as easy as it does the other way. That's the only way I can get it in there. We'll find out here in a minute. Okay. I'm going to adjust this one. This one a whole lot. Maybe not a whole lot, but a little bit. Let's see where that one is there. That one there. That's got the points closed, right? Yeah, points are closed there. But that still ain't. It's pulling it. There you go. We'll try it right there and see what it does. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't.
Need an open end ratchet.
Let's see if that's gonna be enough right there. All right, this ain't got this. Main thing, this got to be back to neutral. Alright, just pulling it right. Go again. Yeah, that's opening it right there. Which right there. See what it does. Won't do until we try. Okay. Now then I'm gonna tighten this one. Make make sure the points is closed here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, let's see what we got. No, that all come with choke by hand.
So we got it replaced. You just got to make sure you got your adjustments set, that you keep your points closed there when the accelerator's all the way up, and you're making
Move that box out of my way there. I'm gonna come around and get in it. Let's see what it's going to do. You should have worked. That's good. It took off. That's what it's supposed to do. That already. That ought to work right there. Let's try one more time. There we go. That's it. Tighten it up. Make sure it doesn't move. See, this thing has to take off the choke all the time. I think I got him tight. I know I did that, man. You know. Move that other wrench over there.
you basically rebuilt this whole thing.
And painted it. That's it right there. That's hooked good on that side, I guess. Yeah.
Yep.
Right, now I'm gonna put my
The ring's on the ground. So
put that box back on first.
it's right there behind you.
Set the seat back in here. I'm I'm gonna drive and see what she does. The tire up over there.
Mm-hmm.